Hey everybody, it's me. Um, we are back. We're home. Brandon's all. They wanted us to keep Brandon out of school today, and he can go back tomorrow. He's out here in the yard. Happy and playing and doing his thing. So, yeah. We are just kind of, well, Anthony went back, Anthony had to go back to work. I'm not really sure what I've got going on, but I think I may have picked up a little stomach bug or something at the hospital. Or maybe just the stress of the last day and a half was just too much. It was the weirdest thing though. So like last night, I got in bed and I just covered up like I normally do. I sleep with a fan on, so that's just, normal procedure. And I woke up shivering so hard that I couldn't even make words. I was like, ugh. And I got Anthony to come back there. I was like, you're going to have to help me. I am freezing. And he came back there and he plugged up a heating pad and put 2 more blankets on me, and it still took 20 minutes for me to stop shivering. And I'm very kind of icky in my stomach, nauseated. And I got some other issues that we ain't going to talk about because it's too much information. But, so I'm just kind of hanging out for a little while. Took some Pepto. See if we can kind of get past it. And I'm watching Maiden play outside. Making sure he doesn't do anything crazy. But, anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys this morning, let y'all know that we did get home. Me and Anthony are both wore out. We didn't hardly sleep. So, yesterday was kind of a rest and recover mission. And today, he's gone back to work, and I'm here at home. And I'm just ready to be, just be home. I was ready to just be home. You don't really realize how much you love and miss a place until you are away from it with no plan to be away from it. You're just so, away from it. But anyway, we're here, and I've got to make some cooking videos for you guys. So hopefully I will start feeling better here in a little while, and I can get up and cook some stuff for you guys. But anyway, I love you guys, and I will see y'all later. We're just taking a break this morning, having a rest. I'll see y'all soon.